Another solution no dey, or dem must surely marry to one man. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Like, share and comment, and also share with your friends. Yes, so my people, I don't see come back again with another gist, with another new trendy video wey just dey go on now, my people. Matter dey side matter. This one na original ogbonge news, my people, wey just dey go on around the social media. Come say me I can't knack the something, can't give now the something just dey hot. Hey my God, well these two people when they see, so my people, they be twins. Twins means they be the same papa, the same mama, the same flesh and blood. Not be say maybe they be step, or they not be step, or they be niece, or they be cousin. This one are original twins, the ogbonge twins. That is the original authentic twins. Now they be, my people. Wetin come happen, my people? Now no say twins. We all know say twins. Once you born them, that love of twins they already dey among of them. If you do this one something, be like say you still do the other one. Now so the love of twins be, my people. I don't see a lot of twins. They wear the same clothes, they go the same school, many things wey they do together. Even if they don't even marry self, they'll see that love will still dey. Maybe wetin this one do in husband, that one will still dey tell the other one. Now so I don't see a lot of twins, but to this extent, my people, this matter one I wan now give una. So me I never waka reach this kind thing, because this matter, my people, is it shorterize me. Even now we wan even listen to this matter, my people. These twins people, my people, as I talk, oh my God, according to them, they say they no fit leave body. Hey, now they come married to one man. My question is that another solution no dey wey they will do so as to prevent that one, or my people, I not just know as I will take talk the matter be, because the matter be like I don't just know the how the something be, and the person and the twins, my people, as una dey see, one for inside don't even get belle, don't even get belle, while the other one no even, that one never even get belle. But my question is that as far as they don't marry to this man, this particular man, when they see, so okay, the man will come take the go house. As far as the man don't pay the bride price, do everything. Now they say how they'll come there, they share the bed or whatever. My people, this matter, as I see, this matter is tight, my people. This way you wear khaki, not be say maybe in a year, because I never see this kind of thing before since I was born. My people, now me say things dey that Africa country where you yourself, when they watch this video, maybe you yourself never even waka reach this kind of thing. Video day, I go show una the video where the man, where the man take pay the bride price, and now me say the bride price where the man go pay. Now me say now two bride price, my people. This man, he get as a bill, because I never see where one man go marry two twins at the same time, and the same compound, and the same papa, the same mama. This one are authentic twins, my people. Not be say this one are niece or na nephew or whatever. This one are the same papa, the same mama. They be the same blood, my people. Now this man just married the two of them. The two of them, my people, I don't even know wetin I go even. My question is that another solution not there to prevent this kind of thing. According to the twins, my people, they say they no fit leave body. Hey, show where my people, make una watch the video, make una see wetin I dey talk about. people, I don't come back again. I don't watch the video. According to the twins, my people, they say the time when they grow, they come. They say they no fit separate them. And if you touch this one, let me say you still touch the other one. My people, that is the love of twins. Now, so many twins be like that. As I talked before, say some twins whether they wear the same cloth or they wear the same shoe, it dey like that. That one, that is the love wey God take create twins. And if you see for this picture wey una dey see so, you will know say one don already get belle. Na me say e don tey wey two of them dey date this man. My people, you will know say e don tey wey wey two of them dey date this man. And secondly, they even talk say even the time wey they grow dey come, na one man na im dem dey date as boyfriend. And secondly, na be say na one cassava na two of them dey just since all those things. Wetin the parents for you, because this kind thing, my people, is just mind blowing, because I never see this kind thing before. Wetin the parents for you do as they just dey grow dey come, if you just like to separate them in here, I believe say if you no even come to this extent like this, wey they'll come marry one man. My people, me personally, as I talked before, it's just mind blowing, because I never see this kind of thing before, where one man they marry the same twins. I never see, my people. I know say there's a lot of twins like that. Say that love wey God take create, the way God take abide them, the time when they dey inside one, na the same place na they stay. But to this extent like this, wey twins, the same papa, the same mama, they will come marry to one man. My people, I never see this kind of thing. As this one can't get belle now, my people. Una know say husband and wife wey we dey talk so, no matter how the something be or wetin you dey pass through for that your husband house, e dey hard when you come say you come tell your girlfriend come marry my husband, maybe my husband go cool down. My people, me I never see that kind of thing. No, the person no dey trust person reach, person no dey get friend reach or sister, you come say come and marry my husband. Me I never see, my people, that kind of thing. You know, they no talk of these two people and they be the same twins. What of tomorrow now? Maybe quarrel come out for inside the marriage, and they want to resolve am, or as this particular one now, because two of them, one don't even get belle now, maybe tomorrow now the other one not come get belle oko. No say that hatred will come, because you be like say one get belle for the man, the other one never get belle. My people, e get as e be, because two of them now, yes, they play, they love themselves as that one, and the spirit of twins. Say yes, twins, they already love themselves no matter what. My people, wetin the family for yours do, they for you go for therapy. I believe say with therapy it go help two of them, because for them to marry the same man, my people, e get the matter, e get as it be. Well, anyway, I wish them congratulations on their new home. Well, my people, I need to go now. What do you think about this video? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.